Hello there, XRDoge and XRP community. How are we doing today? You can call me Nemarious. This is my first video for the channel, so I do apologise if it does come out pretty poor, if it sounds pretty poor. I'm going to be coming in trying to give some support with technical analysis and some news about what's going on with XRDoge, with XRP, maybe with what's going on with the rest of the crypto market. Going to be trying to get one video out per week, looking to bump that up a little bit, depending on how well this goes. I will be recording the developer talks on XRDoge, so for those of you who aren't going to be on when they do the talks or the Q&As, the Ask Me Anything, you can always come back to my channel and listen in to see what you have missed out. Do not take my words as legal or financial advice. Do your own research, and without further ado, let's get straight into it. So as I'm recording this, we're looking at the XRDoge XRP pairing on Silogenic. We're still in this corrective phase at the moment since November. We are coming down. There's a lot of selling going on. What I will say though is when you compare this to the stock market cheat sheet, I would say we're there at the max pain, max depression point. We are looking for this bottom to come in, for this spring up, for the rally to continue, and then this thing, once we all hit all-time high, this thing could pop. The levels I'm thinking are going to be the 1618, 2623, and so on the Fibonacci. Could go higher, not financial advice, but it could go higher. But I think at this point, when we do get to here, I will be taking off some profits. I think you guys should be too. So when we do have another corrective phase like this, you can come in, fill up your bags as we go through that correction phase. One thing I will say, it's only been 3 months, and the developers of this project have been absolutely solid. They've created DEX, so if we move over to the DEX now. So this is the decentralized exchange for the XRDoge DEX. This is looking really, really good so far. Link will be in the description so you can come check it out. And if you've got the Zoom wallet, you can connect your wallet to this and start trading straight away. I'm going to repeat this, 3 months in, and they've already created a decentralized exchange. I can't wait to see what this project is going to look like in a year's time. The team behind this, they are dedicated to get this project, up in the air. And, we are taking off, but I can't wait to see what this is going to look like. I think it's going to be one of the easiest and best looking decentralized exchanges on the XRP ledger. And the thing is, we're not just a meme coin, we're a meme coin with utility. And I'm in talks at the moment with the development team to see what we got upcoming. They are working on something to go with a bit more utility to go with the XRDoge token, so that is in the works, and I can't wait for that announcement to come out. But yeah, you link in the description so you can come check this out. It's not just XRDoge you can trade with here. There's other projects here that are really good projects here that you can trade with, like the XMeta, XStick. So I recommend you do come check this out and just keep an eye on it going forward. But yeah, really good work, devs. Keep it up. And if you are new to seeing this, come check out their website, come check out their Whitepaper, and as I will repeat myself, we are a meme coin with utility. When you have a look at the transaction times and costs, we are the fastest, we are the cheapest out of the meme coins. And, as we scroll down further, you can see what they've got planned. We already had the airdrop on the 24th of October, so we are coming up pretty close to the 3-month anniversary. We're already harnessing the power of the XRP ledger. We've already got the Discord, Telegram, Twitter. We're listed on CoinMarketCap. We're getting listed on exchanges. We're currently on 2 exchanges at the moment, and we are due to be listed on a 3rd, and I will go into that in a second. And we've already got a payment portal, so if you do have a business and you do want your customers to be able to pay in XRDoge, they do have a paper to show you how to set that up on your website. And as you can see, we're still in the process of making this XRDoge DEX. You've already seen what it looks like so far. They're still working really hard in the background, and going forward, this is going to be an absolutely amazing project, as you can see. So let's go have a look and see what the next exchange is that they're going to be listed on. So the next exchange that we should be listed on is the big one exchange. XRDoge and the XRDoge community was tasked with getting 500 people KYC'd on this exchange and depositing 70k XRDoge. It does look like, I cannot confirm though just yet, but it does look like that we did hit that target, as the devs have said. They are just finalizing the agreement, so I reckon we are about to be put on this exchange pretty soon, so keep an eye out for that. just showing you the total market cap because I do think this is relevant to the XRDoge chart. You know, it's not just XRDoge that's taken a dump over the last 3 months, it's the entire crypto space. And as you can see just recently here, you know, we have had this massive liquidation event, and the entire market right now is fearful. You know, if we do have a look over to the fear and greed index, we are in extreme fear. Generally speaking, these are the best times to be buying because, you know, when we're down here on the floor with the fear and greed index, you know, it does go back up and then we're back into greed where you should be taking profits. But, you know, not financial advice, but, you know, be buying the fear, selling the greed kind of thing, you know. Moving over to XRP USD, same scenario is happening with like XRDoge, total market cap. You know, it's just dumping, and it's dumping pretty hard, as you can see here. We've come down over the last few months to test out this trend line here. We did get a bounce, but unfortunately we did come up to make a lower high. We couldn't get higher than this trend, this Fibonacci level here, and then we've come back down to test the trend line. We've broken the trend line, which now we do look like to be in a target for 51 cents, which I do think will come back down to here. And then bounce and then continue with the bull run. I don't see us going any further than that. I do see us bouncing and continue with the bull run. Some people say we're in a bear market. I don't believe that. That's bear market hopium. And because the thing is, we haven't had that blow off top. We haven't had the euphoria of, you know, this thing going to the moon. And as you see back here, we had that SEC lawsuit kick in. I do think if it wasn't for the SEC lawsuit, we should be at about $30 with XRP. But, you know, things happen. You know, it does look like we are suppressed pretty heavily with the XRP. And with information on the lawsuit, you know, expert discovery date has been extended to 28th of February. This has been granted in a joint motion, so Ripple and the SEC have agreed to extend. This is the third delay we've had, but I do think this will be in Ripple's favor and it will be winning. Jeremy Hogan, as he says in his videos, you know, estimated case of this ending is around about August, September of 2022. One final chart that I do want to show you that isn't XRDoge, XRP related, is the Bitcoin on the monthly chart, as this could be a telltale sign of a bear market. I do want to see this candle here close above the 20-year MA here that we've got here, because if we do close below it, then that could be a telltale sign we are entering the bear market, and we will be coming back down to test the 55 EMA on the monthly, which is about $23. I don't personally see we'll be entering a bear market, but, you know, it's best to watch this candle here. You know, we'll be closing in 9 days to see what happens. I do think we'll be continuation, but, you know, if we do close below this, you know, we will be coming down to test that 55. I do hope you enjoyed this update, and I do apologise if it was so short. Hopefully I have provided you with information of what I'm seeing in the charts and markets. It's all speculation, as you know. I will be bringing you information and updates about XRDoge, as I do believe it is a solid opportunity in the XRP space. They are a solid team. All links are in the description, and stay tuned for the next video.